My father and my mother in 1976 were able to purchase the building that is right next to us and start JD Collision. Then they expanded into Cold Lake in 1981.
A lot of times there's people that have never been in an accident, so we are the first people that they speak to, and they're kind of panicked, right? It's our job to walk them through that and make sure that they know that they're in good hands and steer them in the right direction. If there's a process there, we're all working together. At the end of the day, we all want to come here and do our jobs properly and follow the processes and getting things done right in efficient, timely manner.
Once you understand your workflow, then that hub, in my opinion, it's going to be a necessity because it's going to allow you to do so many things to your business. The less steps you take in a day, the more energy you have at home, the more energy you have with your family.
KaizenHub allows us to develop the process maps, but it also allows us to have real-time access to question our process maps constantly so that we can make change on the fly.
The process will be right at your fingertips and you'll be able to go through that, and I think it's just a lot easier for people to learn. Well, it could be for anything. It could be for accounting, it could be for CSRs, it could be safety, it could be anything, any role out there. It can guide you into the right directions for your job. It's huge. It makes the environment less stressful. Nobody's arguing about anything. You know, we're all working together, so it's a lot of fun.